Hi everyone, my name is Danny, and I do all types of YouTube videos. And today I just wanted to do just a little unboxing video. So to just give you a little bit of a description. So the description of this product is, it says here, TCL 3 Series 32-inch 1080p HD LED Roku, that's Roku, smart TV, and the model number is that? I just want to get this right. (32S327-CA). Sorry, I just wanted to make sure that I didn't make a mistake in that. Yeah, that's right. I'll repeat it. 32S327-CA. That's the model number. And I'll just give a little read a little more. So it says the overview. Experience all your favorite content with the exceptional picture and efficient functionality of the TCL 3 Series 32-inch Roku Smart TV. It features a brilliant 1080p Full HD LED screen for vibrant colors and exceptional contrast, immersing you in lifelike imagery. Spend less time looking and more time watching with the simple, intuitive interface. So I'm located in Canada, actually in Newfoundland, Canada. And so I bought this at Best Buy. So I know that there's a Best Buy in the USA, there's a Best Buy in Canada. So I bought this at the Best Buy, it would be Best Buy Canada. So one of the reasons I'm just making just a quick unboxing video, for me it's a bit special because I've never owned a smart TV ever. So because I've never owned a smart TV ever, this is a little bit special for me. And I've heard a lot about the Roku smart TVs, and that's what this one is. It's a Roku smart TV, so I'm a little excited. So let's just get to it. Alright, so that's the box. And nothing special on the top. There's everything on the bottom. And nothing really on the bottom. The side stuff. Okay, so let's get right to it. Definitely factory sealed. Okay, first things first is we have this bag right here. So just some sort of plug here. some sort of wiring here. That's the remote control. Some batteries for the remote control. So just before I forget, maybe I'll just show you what the remote control looks like. So that's a remote control. And just a little story is that as I was coming out of the store in the parking lot, there was a lady, just an ordinary civilian lady, and she saw that in the parking lot, she saw that I bought this TV, and then she told me that she bought the exact same TV during Christmas, and she told me that it's a great TV, spectacular, extraordinary TV, but she said that she was having problems with the remote, and she was saying that for some reason, whenever she wants to use the remote, the remote doesn't work, it doesn't connect or something like that. But anyways, so I'm going to take this out. And then here, pull this out. Okay. So here, pull all of this out. Okay, so the bottom says TCL, and there should be a stand somewhere. And for some reason, I'm not seeing the stand. Oh, okay. I think actually it's kind of, I'm so used to the much older TVs with those huge stands on the bottom, right? But it seems like with these newer TVs, the stands are just much smaller, right? And so actually, I guess this is actually one of the stands. It's very small, right? And that's all they use for stands now. It's just these very small things like that. Put that in the bottom, and of course there's another one exactly the same. Let's see if there's anything else that I'm missing here. Instruction booklet. Just the plug. The battery. And some screws. That's probably you screw in the TV into the stands, into the stands maybe, and or into the wall. So yeah, I hope you can see this. Definitely a brand new product. because on the top there's still that sealant, a factory sort of transparent sticker that's right on the top. If someone bought it before, they would likely rip that off. There's no way that people would watch a TV with that sticker that is still there. Because as you know, if you've watched any of my YouTube videos before, I absolutely hate used products or open box products and that type of stuff. So, just to give you a better view. Yeah, it's kind of hard to give you that whole view. Such a yeah. So maybe that's a better. You can see that angle right there. That angle right there. And this is better, maybe. Yeah. It's 32 inches, so yeah, I just want to make sure that you guys have a full view of it. It's pretty nice, sharp looking. Pretty nice and sharp looking. And see the sides, very, very thin. The sides, very, very thin. And even the bottom part. And I'll even try to show you the back. And it's got that TCL logo on the bottom. Show you that. TCL logo on the bottom. All right, so I think that's it. I just wanted to keep this video short as I can. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click on all notifications button so you know exactly whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.